Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to sell Gumroad products directly from your card website. If you are using the card for landing pages or any personal sites, you can easily add a checkout button for your digital products. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go show how to connect Gumroad to card. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to access our Gumroad product page. You're gonna ask me how to do so. So basically all we're gonna do is open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, then we're gonna go through Gumroad. So just come here, tap Gumroad, then this is the website. Okay, we're just gonna tap on it. It will open this dashboard or this section. So now you have to log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. Then you can access products from here. So this must be all of the products that you have. It will be here basically for you. But for me, I don't have any yet. So all you're gonna do is tap on the product that you want, then tap on share. Copy the buy button embed code, then open your card site editor. Add an embed element or button to your page, then paste the Gumroad embed code or product link, then publish your site again. Now visitors can purchase your product directly from your cart page. As a bonus tips, place the buy button above default or higher conversions. Add product testimonials on the same page, then test the checkout flow on mobile also to check if it fully works. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.